Hello everyone, today we are in Guilmi, a small village situated in Abruzzo region, Chieti province, at just 35 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast and 1 hour and a half drive from the Maiella mountain. And we are looking at this property. It's a traditional stone house with exposed stone on the outside, and it is in perfect conditions, ready to live in. And it can be reached also by a car through this road that is connected to the main road behind, and this way you can reach the town center at just 2 minutes walk. The house stands on 3 floors because we have the basement floor, the ground floor and the first floor, and there is also an attic floor. And this is the main entrance. And here, as we enter, we have the kitchen area with a fireplace. This one is a working fireplace. We have a sink under the window. And the fridge is right there. And here we have this room that is very versatile. You can turn it into whatever you need, and also a suggestion if you don't need 2 bedrooms is that you can remove the partition wall to have a bigger kitchen, and also this one is a partition wall. So this floor can become an open space kitchen and living area if you prefer it to be like this. Or you can leave it like this and have kitchen here and living area, living room here, that you can make it bigger, removing this partition wall. But right now this room is used as a bedroom. So depending on your needs, the house has a lot of potential and room for changing the layout. The window overlooks the historic center. And now we can go upstairs. Here on the left, on top of the staircase, we find a small toilet with a window. Here we are on the first floor, and here we find a large double bedroom. As you can see, the roof is in perfect conditions. Here we have a window, a wooden window with double glazed glass. Right next to the bedroom we find a very large bathroom with the place to have a washing machine, the bathtub, and also a shower right there. And this is the electric water heater. And as you can see, the bathroom is in perfect conditions. And here we can reach the attic floor through this staircase. And here we have the attic floor. It is quite a big space. The ceiling is not that high, but here I can stand. So I'm 1 meter and 65 centimeters, and I'm standing tall, and there is a little bit of more space. So in this part you can stand definitely. So you can turn it into another bedroom, or you can use it as a storage space as it is, or like a nice sitting room, playroom for children, depending on what you need. And there is also a skylight here and a window there. So the property also avails of a big cellar that is as big as the kitchen floor, and it is now used as a woodshed. Unfortunately, we don't have the keys, so I can show you the inside of the cellar. And the house right now is not connected to main gas, so it doesn't avail of central heating system, but as you can see, this is the place where you would put the gas meter, so it is just already predisposed to do that. So you just have to call the gas company to install the gas meter. And if you're interested in this property, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.